If you want to hack your friend's Instagram or Facebook ID, this is the first thing you need to do. Hey guys, I'm Aaron from Mr. Tech. In this video, we are going to see first thing that you need to do before hacking your friend's Instagram or Facebook ID. If you're new here, I am Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. Okay, many of you think to hack our friends Instagram ID, Facebook ID like that. Hacking is not just like how it shows in movies. If you want to hack your friend's Instagram or Facebook ID means you need to know some of the details about your friend, like your friend's date of birth, your friend's name, your friend's pet name, your friend's nickname, and many of things you need to know about your friend or the victim who you needs to hack. I showed you the some of the things you should know about him. For hacking an Instagram ID, you need to create a word list. That is the first thing you need to do before hacking. Word list is kind of a txt file, contains a n number of variety passwords. These passwords helps to find the exact password of your friend. In this video, we are going to use a tool called Cup. By using this tool, we are going to create a word list. Okay, let's see how to create a word list. Okay, for creating a word list, you need to install a tool, the name called Cup. It refers to the common user password profiler. It's used to create a word list. Before creating a word list, you need to install it. For installing it, you head up to this GitHub page. I give this link on description. Check out. Click here and click download zip. It will download the cup tool. I already installed, so I no need to download it again. For running this tool on Windows, you need Python installed on your device. If the Python is already installed on your computer, no problem, you can run the tool easily. If you are not installed Python on your system, you need to install from here. For installing Python, you need to visit this page. I give this page link also in description. Check out. Come here and click download Python 3.9.5. This is the current version of the Python. If you have the old version or the little lower version of the Python, it's not problem. If you successfully install the Python and this tool means you need to next thing you need to create a word list. For that, you need to open the tool. Here I have the tool on desktop. I already downloaded. If you downloaded the tool, it will show like a zip file. You need to extract it. For extracting, right click and extract here. It will extract the tool here. Here we got the extracted version of the tool. Let's open it. Here we have the main files of the cup tool, but this is the executable file. This is the file execute the tool. For executing this Python file, you need to open the command prompt on this location. There is a two way to open command prompt. Like you can open a normal command prompt in the search and we navigate to the location. That will take some of time. For making it simple, just click here and type cmd and hit enter. It will automatically open the command prompt on this location. Let's type dir. Here it shows the files that in this folder. We need to open this cup.py. This is the main file and this is the executable Python file. Okay, let's open it. For opening that, type python, give a space and type cup.py and hit enter. It will show the instructions and it will show the some of the commands to run this tool. Okay, now it's time to run the tool. For that, type the same command here and type -i and hit enter. Okay, now the tool was started. Here it's asking for the first name. I already tell that you need to know some of the details about him. Okay, let's create a word list. Okay, let's randomly I am giving some informations for the example. This is only for example. You need to hack someone means you need to know something about him. You need to know the details that this tool will ask. If you don't know means you can't get the correct password. Okay, let's here I am typing. Now we successfully created a word list. Let's check out the word list. Type dir. Okay, here we have a new file called john.txt. This is the word list that the tool created. Let's open this word list. Word list. Let's scroll down here. Let's make this bigger. Let's scroll down here. It's added in all our date of birth and it's intermediate the date of birth. It will change the date of birth order like year, month, date, month, year, like that. Let's scroll down. Okay, see how long is this. If your victim set a password on his name, nickname, date of birth, pet's name, partner's name means you will definitely got this password by using this word list. Okay, here see, I think it will reverse a name. I give you a name called Alice. It will reverse a name. Cailes, Alice. It will reverse the name like Selia. It created a word list for 43,007 lines. That's a huge count. That's about this video, guys. I think you got the idea about creating word list. If you need to know how to hack Instagram or Facebook passwords means, comment below. I will make a video for that. Okay guys, hope this video will informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, I'm signing off from Mr. Aventech.